Okay, so you're offered a job, and you get to choose your salary. You have choices of salary. One choice is at the end of the month, you get, let's say, $2,000 cash. Or you have the option, okay, and we'll say this is the 28th day right here of a month. So this would be day 29, 30, and 31. That would be the longest month possible. This would be the shortest month possible. Okay? You're offered a job, and they tell you that they will start by giving you 1 cent on the first day of the month, and they will double it every day until the last day of the month, and then restart it. Okay? So, what we're going to figure out is what is the better choice. How many of you would just take the $2,000? Nobody. What if they said they would give you $10,000 a month? Or you start with a penny on the first day and you double it till the end of the month. Taking the penny? Okay, I'm going to give you several options. I want you guys to tell me which one the penny is going to be more or less than. You're also going to get the option of $100,000, $1 million a month, $10 million a month. Okay, you have a choice. I want you to tell me which one you think the doubling of that penny will be less than. Will it be less than 10 million?
Yes.
Yes? Will it be less than 1 million?
Yes. No.
We got a couple of, how many think it'll be less than 1 million?
I think so.
Put up your hand if you think it'll be less than 1 million.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3 people? 4?
I think it'll be greater than the rest. I think it'll be.
Throw up to 6 here. How many think it'll be less than $100,000?
I think it'll be greater.
1? Just 1?
I think it'll be greater.
How many think it'll be less than $10 million? 1? So does that mean the rest of you think it's going to be greater than $10 million you'll make in a month? Way less? So everyone's going with less than $10 million. A couple people less than 6. We got one guy over $10 million. He's optimistic. He's optimistic. Okay, let's figure this out. So on day 2, how much would they pay you?
2 cents.
Day 3? Day 4? Day 5? Day 6? Day 7? Anybody want to reconsider what they think? No? We're okay with this? Okay. 64. $1.28. Day 9. $2.56 they pay you. Day 10? So on day 10 you're at, what is it? $6.12? Anyone want to reconsider? Day 10 we're at $6. Couple people want to keep going? Alright, let's bring up a calculator because we're going to start to use some larger here. Alright, so we got a calculator, right? Day 11, we're looking at making $12.24, it looks like. Then 24, 48. 48.96, good. And then on day 14, so after 2 weeks, they're willing to pay you what? $97.90. Still under $100. This 2,000 might almost look good. Okay. We really, if this is the month of February, I only have 2 weeks left, and at 2 weeks, I'm at $97. Anyone want to reconsider? Keep going. Okay. Day 15. So what was it? 195. Let's just say it's 195. Our pennies are starting to become negligible. Okay. That was day 15. Day 16.
2 weeks makes
391.
391? Oh, you rounded. Okay. Let's just say 390, okay? The math comes easier. We'll try to do this in our head. 780 on day 15, 16, 17.
You're taking my $4.
Sir, we're at 1,056.
1560.
Whoa.
We're moving up now. What about the next day?
3,133.
What was it? 3,120?
33.
33. Oh, you guys didn't round like me, did you? I'm rounding.
Sure, that's way off. That's $100 off.
Yeah.
All right.
Whoa. The next one's like 600.
Sorry, let me get the.
Okay, we'll use your numbers.
Yeah, come on.
What was it?
313.
3. Next?
62.
6266. And on day 21, 533. So, due to exponential growth, at the end of 1 week, we were making 64 cents. At 2 weeks, we're almost up to $100. And at 3 weeks, we're now over $12,000. So, we're going to keep going just to see what it really is. But this should give you an idea. The exponential growth, we started with a very small number, and it starts very slowly as it doubles. But once that doubling gets into larger numbers, it really starts to take off, just like in the video we saw, where there after 48 folds, you could get to the moon. Okay, Dora, we'll fit it in. What's the next number of 22 days? 25, 6, 6, 7. What's next? 135, 50, 135. Next? 270. So, after 21, 22, 23 days, we've already beaten out the 2,000, the 10,000, and the 100,000. 24 days, what are we at? 540. 40108. 401,000. 800 and what are the next numbers here? 160. And then on the 28th day, so say this was February. This was for the month of February. What would you make? $321. So even if this is February and you took this doubling, you would have made over $1 million. Now, would we have made on 31 days? Would we have made it?
Yes.
On the 29th day, how much would we have made?
Yeah, sir, you need more.
Give me the numbers. What are they?
3,200,000.
No. Start on the 29th day. So double 28. 642. Okay. On the 30th day, 417. 285. And then finally, if you were in a lovely December month, how much would you have made? What was the number, Mara? I can't hear you. 570. So, you doubled a penny for a month. At the end of the month, they would have paid you over $12 million.